Join Raven Gang, sis. Like, why would you not want to be a part of Raven Gang? We lit over here. Purr. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Raven Aaliyah. If you're new here, welcome friend, join Raven Gang, tap in, hit the subscribe button, notification bell, likes, comments, all that good stuff down below. Today's video is going to be a first. This is the first time somebody done sent me a wig to review, so ciao. We about to do that. The company that I partnered with for this video is AFSISTERWIG. They have a website. They also sell wigs on Amazon. Raven Gang, I'm nervous. First of all, let me tell y'all, the wig they sent me is a highlighter wig, pre-colored, 18-inch, 13 by 6 by 1, which means it's the T part. I don't know how I feel about that. I never had a T part wig before, so we're gonna have to see what that's about. Alright, take this out. Oh, okay, cute. I like. This is the wig. This is how it looks fresh out the box. It's definitely gonna need a straighten or a curl, whichever look I decide to go for. But I'm gonna show y'all the inside so y'all can see. Yeah, like the lace. This is what the lace looks like against skin, so that's actually really good. Like, what? Of course I'm gonna have to bleach the knots, but as y'all can see against the skin, it's giving scalpiana. We like scalpiana. I'm scared because this is a lot of blonde, and I usually don't go for that color. We gonna see what happens. What I like about this wig already, why I said nice, when I open up the back of the wig, of course, you know, most wigs have these little bands right here. This one comes with a little band already in the wig, which is nice, so I don't have to waste one of my bands trying to sew it in there. 9 times out of 10, I always cut these clips off. That's on the inside. They usually go right here because it's just uncomfortable for me. So when I install it, I am going to remove those and just use the band. I might remove the clip that's at the top too, but okay. This is definitely a wig where it's only giving straight part though, because it is a T part, but it's 6 inches deep, so at least you got some part in distance. I'm gonna come back to y'all when I finish installing it, and we gonna talk about the process and how that went. All right guys, so as y'all can see, Wigiana installed. Period. Do y'all see this wig? Okay, shout out to AFSISTERWIG for sending me this wig. It is the bomb. I love it. First of all, the installation, such an easy process. I actually took out all the combs that was in the wig except for the one that's on the very bottom that you hook underneath, because I'm not gonna lie guys, the combs uncomfortable, don't like. I took out the band too because this is a medium cap, so I didn't need the band. It's actually snug with just the glue and the clip, like really snug. Love that fit. Do y'all see this color? Like, I know y'all see the color. I look the bomb. I feel like it's a highlight and brightness to my face. This wig is on point. Let me talk to you guys about the texture, because I know you guys see it's a straight wig. It's a natural straight wig. They say it's Brazilian straight, but I'm not gonna lie guys, I'm being 100% honest with y'all. It kind of gives me like a natural straight, yaki straight kind of texture to it. Like if I were to straighten my natural hair, I feel like that's what it feels like. And my natural hair is 4B, so I feel like it feels like if I were to straighten my natural hair, that's the texture I get here. It's not giving like what you would expect with a Brazilian straight, which would be more of like a silky texture. rather than like a yaki texture. So just want to let you guys know that this wig is 18 inches, and I feel like it's a decent length for 18 inches. It's definitely true to length. It looked great. The lace is 13 by 6 by 1. Yes, it is a T part. I know I said that in the beginning of the video, but I just wanted to reiterate that to you guys. So ain't no side parts over here. Ain't no none of that extraness. It's literally middle part. That's it. But at least they give you enough room to do your baby hairs. We love baby hairs. So yes. In terms of shedding, thus far since I've installed it, the wig does not shed a lot. I feel like you get the natural shedding, like when you comb through it. Did I get anything? Like, I don't know if y'all could like see that, but it's literally a strand in the comb from combing it. So I feel like when you are combing out the hair, you may get a little shedding, but it's literally like minimal shedding. I really don't have no complaints, no gripes about this wig. Like, it's perfect. I love it. Y'all should go get one. I'm gonna put the link to the wig in the description box below. I'm gonna also give you guys a link to their website because they have their online website, and then they sell wigs on Amazon too, like other hair companies do. So I'm gonna put the link to both in there, so you have the option to go on their website and look at more wigs, just in case you look on the Amazon portion and you don't see anything that meets your eye. But yeah, y'all could get this off their website, or y'all could get it off Amazon. Tell me y'all don't fuck with this wig. Tell me it's not giving what needed to be gave, because I love it here. Period. I'll probably do an update on this wig because it's only been like 2 days since I installed it. So I'm probably gonna do an update on this wig in like a week, 2 weeks, so y'all can kind of see like with the wear of the wig how it goes. But yeah, period. I love the look. Like, what? Huh? Come again? Hold on, because I don't think I understand. Clearly it's giving what needs to be gave. I'm giving what needs to be gave. Like, shitting me or kidding me? Are you shitting me or are you kidding me? Like, tap in the AFSISTERWIG. Thank y'all for sending me this wig. I would not steer even getting in the wrong direction. Y'all already know how that go. So when I'm telling you it's a cute wig, if you want a nice, cute, natural, straight wig, go get you one. Period. All right, guys. So we are about a little over 2 weeks wig. Still off the first install. Been to the gym a couple times. It's still intact. As you can see, hair glides easy. We like that. Comb, because I mean, we're gonna get some shedding, but I just want to show y'all, like, literally, I don't know if y'all can see that, it fell, but literally shedding is so minimum. When I tell y'all I love this wig, for me, I'm not gonna lie, it's the color, because girl, this color is bomb and I love it on me. I feel like it really brightens my face. But yes, guys, go get you this wig from AFSISTERWIG. Period. Tell them Raven sent you. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to give y'all a little update on what the wig was giving. It's been a little over 2 weeks and wig is still wiggy-oning. We love that. You could either get it off their website or you could get it off their Amazon store. I'm gonna put the link in the description below. If you made it all the way to the end of this video and you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe, friend. Leave a comment. Tell me what y'all think about this wig. Have y'all bought wigs from AFSISTERWIG before? Like, what's the tea? What's the tea? And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.